Hi guys, welcome to Astra Tarot. My name is Yachna and मैं एक psychic tarot reader हूँ and I'm also a trauma informed life coach. और आज की ये रीडिंग मैं लेके आई हूँ स्पेशली फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून. तो अगर आपको ये रीडिंग जून 2026 में किसी भी दिन whenever it is popping up in your feed you are getting it, then there might be a message for you. Again, please keep a reminder that this is a collective general reading and हो सकता है कि कुछ चीज़ें आपको resonate करें और कुछ नहीं. So just take the things that resonate with you and leave the rest. I feel that you guys are experiencing some sort of pause or some sort of resting phase in your life right now, जहाँ आप बहुत एक्टिव मोड में नहीं हो बट यू आर इन दैट एनर्जी ऑफ दैट आफ्टर रियली वर्किंग सो हार्ड फॉर सो लॉन्ग, या हो सकता है आप कोई केयर गिवर रोल में रहे हो बहुत टाइम तक, या आप एक अडेप्टिव पर्सनालिटी आपने आपको मतलब लेनी पड़ी टू सर्वाइव, और you could be a very deep people pleaser and you are now burnt out, like, and now you are in that phase where आपकी body, आपका mind and even your soul could be directing you that you know what, like maybe it's time to take a break, it's time to take that pause, that sacred rest which your soul might be calling. It's like if we ignore our bodies, the bodies are going to tell us and make us take that rest or break. So मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप उस एनर्जी में where you are just resting and rejuvenating, not hustling, not overdoing, oversharing, over explaining. देख लेते हैं यूनिवर्स आपके लिए क्या मैसेज लेके आए हैं in this phase of rest and pause. Okay, Nine of Wands. Like I said कि आप बहुत टाइम से अकेले कुछ mental battles लड़ रहे थे, and I feel that you also lacked real support in your life because शायद आपके belief systems, you were unlearning the old belief systems that you might have inherited from your family of origin, and you were carrying that little light in you where you believed that you are not meant to live this life जैसे आपके parents या आपके grandparents ने life जी है. You want a more fulfilling life, especially in terms of like increasing your horizons or taking education from outside, कोई international course, पढ़ाई के लिए बाहर जाना, या फिर बाहर घूमना, ट्रैवल, या अपने पे इन्वेस्ट करना, अपनी सेल्फ ग्रोथ, सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, अपनी हीलिंग पे इन्वेस्ट करना. सो यू आर डूइंग probably those things, and you are interested in doing those things which your earlier generations could not do, did not know that they can do that kind of investment in themselves as well. So you are like, I would say, leaving behind those burdens which were basically not yours to carry, and you are still like leading that spark in you that आप अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी फैमिली में, अपने लीनेज में कुछ हट के करना चाहते हो. And of course you were so burdened and you were tied up. So I see that you are freeing yourself up, and this is that in between pause or rest wala period where you are like just pouring the energy, the emotional energy that you were investing in other people, you are pouring that emotional energy into you and in healing yourself. Okay, Three of Swords. Three of Swords reverse में आया था. Three of Swords reverse means healing. So हो सकता है कि कोई हार्ट ब्रेक या रेपिटेटिव हार्ट ब्रेक, बिट्रेयल आपको मिला हो किसी क्लोज्ड इंसान से, क्लोज लव्ड वन. आपका कोई फैमिली मेम्बर हो सकता है, पेरेंट हो सकता है, या फिर सिबलिंग हो सकता है, एक्स लवर हो सकता है, या लवर्स हो सकते हैं जिन्होंने शायद आपके ट्रस्ट को ब्रेक किया, एंड maybe they cheated on you, or they were a liar, or they were just scheming against you. So you have got your heart broken, and now you are in that resting phase. You're breaking old ties, and you are in that phase of healing your heart chakra, emotional healing आप कर रहे हो, right? You are coming out of that betrayal, and हो सकता है कि आपने कुछ लोगों को अपनी लाइफ से जाने भी दिया because not they were not ready to move ahead in your life on your healing journey. So you are just now in that energy of just healing your heartbreaks that you were carrying, emotional wounds, I would say, which is a good energy. You've been through a lot, and all alone, that is what I see. 6 of Cups. Okay, so this could be that आप अपना childhood trauma heal कर रहे हो. This could be that you growing up, you might have been raised in an environment where your parents or your grandparents, your caregivers were like maybe so busy in their own worlds that they did not get a chance to look at your needs, and they did not have time and energy and emotional support to give you. So now you are, I think, looking at your childhood traumas, and you could be healing those traumas, because हम जैसे adult relationships में या अपनी friendships में show up करते हैं, it has a very direct relation to how we were raised in our childhood, what kind of home environment we were in when we were growing up, and who were our role models growing up. Like आपकी parents की जो marriage है, that becomes for you a role model of marriage. So you sometimes tend to copy subconsciously those patterns of attracting similar partners just like your parents, and maybe now you are like coming out of that long period of carrying the burdens, emotional wounds of your family alone, and you're healing. You're providing that emotional comfort, self-care, self-love, so that you can really reparent yourself. और जो बचपन में beliefs आपने अपने लिए बनाए that you are not good enough, or you are lonely, or nobody really cares for you, I think आप उन core beliefs पे काम कर रहे हो right now. 5 of Swords, again, lot of mental conflict. I would say that ये ऐसा पीरियड है ना कन्फ्यूजन वाला, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आप एक पड़ाव पे तो आ गए हो जहाँ पे आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को, लोगों को जो आपको हर्ट करते थे, फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते थे, यू हैव लेफ्ट देम बिहाइंड, एंड यू आर embarking your journey to heal yourself and be your real authentic self more and more. But 5 of Swords says that कभी कभी आप उस फेज़ में चले जाते हो when you are very confused कि आप सही राह पे हो या नहीं, और मे बी यू विल हो सकता है कि कुछ पास्ट के लोग आगे आपको, या कोई नए लोग आपको ऐसे टॉन्ट डाल देते होंगे, या मतलब ऐसे कुछ सटायर कर दिया, या आपके वूंड्स पे दे माइट लाइक रब salt on your wounds, or they might make you feel that, oh, you are all alone in this journey and you do not have a support, and maybe pity you. So हो सकता है कि वो self doubt और negativity आपके मन में भरते हो. So the idea is that do not take people who do not understand your perspective, and they do not have clear understanding of your wounds, of your parents' trauma being passed on to you. Like, do not take these people's words seriously, because they are not capable of understanding you. And somebody who is really like, there are emotionally mature people who, even though do not know your entire truth, but if they see you in distress, or if they see you in healing, then they support you. They do not put like salt on your wounds. So I would say ऐसे लोग जो आपके लाइफ में अभी इस टाइम ऑफ पॉज एंड रेस्ट या रिजुविनेशन या हीलिंग में किसी भी तरह का कोई मेंटल कन्फ्लिक्ट या क्योस या गिल्ट ट्रिपिंग लेके आते हैं, या आपको लेस देन फील कराते हैं, या आप पे पिटी शो करता है, इनको अपने लाइफ से दूर रखो. लाइक पीपल, एनीथिंग लेस देन love, support or peace does not have a place in your life, because I feel that you have taken a lot of betrayal and hurt for so long, and your top priority is right now to heal your childhood wounds, heal your traumas, heal all the emotional hurt that you feel that your heart is still carrying, and so your heart might be closed off right now. You might not be looking for a partner or someone to come really close to you unless they prove themselves to you. So anybody who is trying to bring the older version back, the people pleaser, the unpaid therapist, you're just leaving them behind, because आपको ये समझ में आ गया है कि ये लोग आपकी लाइफ में सिर्फ मेंटल chaos लेके आते हैं. They do not bring peace, they do not bring comfort, they do not bring like genuine care for you. Okay, the Fool. Okay, like I said, so you are really moving ahead in your life and creating a new beginning for you. Fool is the energy where you are least bothered about what the world will say. You know that आप जो ये अपने लिए ड्रीम लाइफ क्रिएट कर रहे हो या अपने आप को हील कर रहे हो, आपका खुद का रिलेशनशिप आपके साथ बेटर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, you know that this is going to bring a lot of freedom, a lot of fun, joy, rejuvenation energy. So after this rest, you are going to attract a lot of opportunities which will give you explore yourself, the real you, जो शायद मतलब शायद पहले आपने अपने वो पाथ्स खो दिए थे. So now you are, after this little bit of this time, I would say, or very soon, I would say very soon, you will get into this energy of कि you want to explore life again. You want to know that who you really are. You want to know that आपके wishes और desires क्या हैं. What do you want in the relationships? What do you want from life? What do you want from yourself that brings you joy and fulfillment? So you're going to enjoy and restart your life again on your own terms, and just like uh, attracting success, success with the definition of that which aligns with you, which resonates with you, not the definition of the societal success that बहुत अच्छा पोस्ट हो, बहुत पैसे हों, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियाँ हों. That might not be something that you are chasing. You might be chasing peace, happiness, genuine care, warmth in your life. Okay. Okay, Four of Wands. Okay, so Four of Wands is like, I see that once you do a new beginning in your life, you are going to attract a lot of people who will come into your life as a celebration. They are going to celebrate you. They are going to see the good in you, a bright side of you. They will see the joyous and playful, the childlike energy that you bring to the world. And हो सकता है कि आप कोई एक और मैरिज भी हो सकता है, आपके पास एक मैरिज प्रपोजल आए, हो सकता है आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा आए जो आपको इस हीलिंग जर्नी के नेक्स्ट पड़ाव पे ले जाए, एंड हो सकता है वो आपको एक परमानेंट सपोर्ट. फोर ऑफ वॉन्ड्स मीन्स stability, permanent support. It could be friendship, could be like a healthy relationship, it could be marriage. Somebody who is going to stay with you and create with you. Somebody who is going to give you that stability and security जो शायद आपकी लाइफ में मिसिंग थी. हो सकता है आपकी फैमिली ऑफ ओरिजिन आप में पोर इन नहीं करती हो, बट नाउ यू आर रियली लाइक आफ्टर हीलिंग एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस रेस्ट एंड पॉज, यू आर गोइंग टू अट्रैक्ट द काइंड ऑफ पीपल लाइक योर चोजन फैमिली, कि जैसे आप अपनी चोजन फैमिली, अपने फ्रेंड्स या रिलेशनशिप चूज़ करना चाहते हो. दैट इज़ कमिंग वेरी वेरी सून. Just I'm so happy for you that you are attracting that finally, because healing is really tough. Okay, lovers, definitely there is love that is coming. That there is अगर आप फीमेल हो then you are attracting healthy high vibrational masculine in your life, और अगर आप मेल हो then you are attracting healthy warm loving nurturing female in your life. So Four of Wands and Six of six like the lovers, I feel that, and Six of Cups also. So I feel that you are attracting someone who is going to give you the lost love, give you the lost stability, the support that you never experienced earlier in your life. मतलब आपने शायद एक हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप, एक लविंग रिलेशनशिप का मॉडल आपकी लाइफ में, आपकी फैमिली ऑफ ओरिजिन में नहीं था, बट नाउ यू आर आफ्टर हीलिंग, you are really attracting that kind of relationship in your life. And I see that this could be coming in your life in another 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months. So keep on healing, and I'm sure the universe is going to award you with what you are manifesting. And this stability, this love, this emotional fulfillment is really going to make you happy. And you will feel later looking at this time that this was so essential. मतलब ये आप पुरानी ओल्ड लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स को छोड़ना, टॉक्सिक फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स को छोड़ना, हीलिंग पे ध्यान देना, अपने पे काम करना, अपना रिलेशनशिप अपने साथ, सेल्फ लव पोर करना अपने में, दिस इज़ रियली गोइंग, दिस वाज ऑल वर्थ इट व्हेन यू विल be in that celebratory relationship with your man or your woman, whomsoever you are attracting, and you are going to be very happy. You are going to celebrate life with them. You are going to share intimate moments with them. That's what I see. And बहुत passionate relationship होगा आपका इस इंसान के साथ. And I feel that you will also have good friends around you when this person comes. So वो कहते हैं ना कि one person is enough to break you and one person is enough to make you. So your breaking period is over, and that one person who is going to make you feel like a princess, like the chosen one, the only one, is coming. So I'm so happy. एक guidance देख लेते हैं यूनिवर्स से जाते जाते. Okay, the devil, you are leaving your toxicity and the toxic people behind. So अगर अब आपके कोई आपको फियर हो, या ऐसा लगता हो, ऐसा कोई बिलीफ हो जो आपको लगता है कि नहीं नहीं यार, ऐसा कोई इंसान तो मेरी ज़िंदगी में आ ही नहीं सकता, मैं, आई डोंट डिज़र्व दैट, यू आर लीविंग ऑल दैट, लीव ऑल दैट negative crap behind you. You are such a beautiful person, you are such a warm soul, old soul, that you definitely deserve this someone who is going to match your energy and giving unconditional love to you. So keep working on yourself, keep healing your old wounds, and set new standards for your family, in fact for yourself. And soon you are going to overcome the negative beliefs and attract the perfect person for you. So आई होप आपको ये रीडिंग पसंद आई हो. अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ भी रेजोनेट करा हो, प्लीज़ डू शेयर इन कमेंट्स. Like again I said, this is a general reading and timeless reading. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like this reading, do give me a like, share it with somebody who might need this. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep coming back with more such readings to help you on your journey. Bye for now and take care.